Usambut Menteri Rangbah ke Jylla Bah Prestone Tynsong, mynta ke sngi kalai phawai tarik risaw ar hajar ar phulai, ula Shimti kum Presiden Thymmai Jong ke NPP State Unit. Bah Prestone Tynsong, ula Shimti yakakam kum Presiden ke NPP State Unit, na Dr W R Kharlukhi, ubala shongthait no hadien khat snem, ke jingbat kam jong kum Presiden naduh kipor PA Sangma.
We are advisors. Please keep posting your views, your suggestions, your opinions to us. We are here and the door is always open. As we always say and myself, you don't have to go to the street, come to the street. You don't have to stand outside the gate. Please be inside the gate because we are so accommodative and we continue to do that. Not only in the structure, but even in the party organization. Our doors are always open to any issues. Therefore, we will continue serving the state to the maximum. So with these few words, once again, thank you so much. God bless NPP, God bless all of us, and especially I would like to say that under the leadership of Honorable Dr. W R Kharlukhi, first time they call him Dr. Under the leadership of Dr. W R Kharlukhi, I am very sure we will be able, sooner or later, NPP will control the entire northeastern states. Because the face of multiplication, as per the constitution of the party, and also the vision and the mission of our great late leader, Sri PA Sangma, we wanted to create a party which is the theme of the party, oneness of northeastern states. So thank you so much. God bless all of us here.
And when he said that the press also is a part of NPP, he meant the National Press Party. So thank you so much, and I won't take much time. I also would like to join the other leaders who have expressed their joy and happiness on the appointment of Bah Prestone Tynsong. I would only like to add that I have worked with him in many situations and from very difficult positions, and a large number of challenges we have faced together, and we have grown together as friends, understanding each other's concerns, problems, and working as a team. And so I'm very happy today that he has accepted this responsibility, because I know his capacity and I know the kind of work that he's capable of doing, and I'm sure that that he will be taking from where Dr. Kharlukhi has now left. He will take forward the mission of the party, and I'm sure that with the kind of grassroots work that he has done for the last many years, whether organizationally or from governance point of view, all of this will come into great work and help to be able to really organize the party, as he has mentioned, and I have full faith that he will be able to do justice. And I only seek the support, as he had mentioned, of all the party leaders. You all know that the demand or the request for Bah Prestone to take over as president has come from all of you. So it is not that I have selected, it is a democratic process. It's just that the election did not take place, but all the votes actually came and everybody sent the information and the request to me. So it was literally a democratic process, all the way from Garo Hills to Shimti Hills to West Khasi Hills to East Khasi Hills, Rimboy. In all areas there was a consensus, and that clearly reflects the kind of acceptance and the kind of faith that people have in the leadership of Bah Prestone Tynsong. So I also join all of you. I'm sure all of you must be wanting to congratulate, but I, on behalf of all the party leaders, again, congratulate Bah Prestone Tynsong. And as he said, there's a lot of work to be done, but I'm sure that he will be able to take up the challenge to take the party forward from this point. So once again, wishing him the very best in his endeavor, and also thanking Dr. Kharlukhi once again, and all the other members who have worked with Dr. Kharlukhi in the State Committee. I thank you all. Does not mean, as I said, that the work is over. Our new president will be reconstituting the committee very soon, and therefore all of you will be again asked to give your service to the state, to the people, and to the party. And I'm sure that Bah Prestone will, our new president will reconstitute the committee very, very soon. So with these few words, thank you for coming for this meeting at a very short notice. And once again, thanking Dr. Kharlukhi and wishing Bah Prestone Tynsong the very
The
best.
meeting briefly. My priority now as the president I'll reconstitute the committee of the state level unit, and thereafter we will also go down to the district level and up to the block level, because we have to prepare ourselves for the coming election, which is to be held early next year. And not only for the election, but we really wanted to work hard, reaching out ourselves to each and every household in the entire state of Meghalaya. So this is, in fact, this is the priority where I would like to see that it has happened. I will tell you once that is done. Right now, what I just mentioned to you is number one, reconstituting the state level committee is very, very important. So along with that committee, ultimately, once the committee is in place, then we will be able to sit down and work out next program and next steps, whatever necessary to be done.